Managing multiple accounts for tasks such as affiliate marketing, web scraping, or social media management has become much easier with anti-detect browsers like Nstbrowser. However, without reliable proxies, these browsers are almost useless. In this video, we'll show you how to set it up with IPRoyal Proxies to ensure efficient multi-accounting. We'll also explain how to get started with Nstbrowser and why our proxies are the best choice for this or any other browser, so stay tuned until the end. Let's see where to find Nstbrowser and how to add IPRoyal Proxies to it so you can make the most out of this browser. First, visit the Nstbrowser website and click the download button. From here, choose the right option based on your OS and click download for free. Number 2, install the browser. Select Run Nstbrowser and hit the finish button. Step 3, now you need to create an account by clicking the sign up option and entering your email and password. Click the sign up button. Step 4, check your inbox for a verification email and click confirm registration. Step 5, once you are verified, sign in using your credentials to access the Nstbrowser home screen. Select Profiles from the menu on the left and click the Create Profile button to create and customize your digital fingerprint. Step 6. Navigate to the Proxy tab and select Custom under Proxy Type. Step 7. Go to the IPRoyal dashboard and set the proxy location, type, and rotation. Let's say we want to use high-end proxies from Dresden, Germany that support the HTTP/HTTPS protocol and have a session time of 5 hours. Step 8. After configuring your proxies, copy your hostname, port, username, and password from the IPRoyal dashboard to the appropriate fields in Nstbrowser and click the Check Proxy button. Step 9. If your credentials are correct after Nstbrowser checks your proxy status, you'll see your proxy's IP address and location. Then click the Create Profile button to save the settings. Step 10. To launch your newly created profile from the Profiles section, click the Play button. Step 11. A browser window will open. Use our IP lookup page or a website like BrowserScan to check your IP and ensure it works correctly. Based on the browser scan results, we have a real German IP address that isn't recognized as a proxy without DNS leaks or browser fingerprinting issues. And that's it. You are now ready to use Nstbrowser's free plan for efficient multi-accounting without breaking the bank. Thanks to our high-quality residential proxies, you can rest assured your profiles will make your activities look genuine, so you can avoid detection and interruptions. What makes IPRoyal Proxies ideal for anti-detect browsers like Nstbrowser are their advanced features and cost efficiency. With our premium proxy service, you get access to over 32 million ethically sourced residential IPs in 195 locations, precise geo-targeting at no additional cost, non-expiring traffic with great bulk discounts, no contract obligations with pay-as-you-go traffic, HTTP/HTTPS and SOX 5 support, sticky sessions lasting between 1 second and 7 days, 24/7 assistance, and more. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and feel free to share it with anyone you think might need it. Subscribe for more similar content and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time.